Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
Have you ever wondered why English speakers often say they're going to knock off work or stick to a task? Welcome to the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. These combinations of words, typically a verb and a preposition or adverb, form a single semantic unit whose meaning often differs from the individual words. Today we'll explore 5 common phrasal verbs used in the workplace. Our first phrasal verb is knock off. Now this doesn't mean to physically knock something over. In a work context, knock off means to finish work, or to stop working for the day. For example, you might say, after a long day of meetings, I'm ready to knock off and relax. Next up, we have stick to. This phrasal verb means to continue doing something despite difficulties or to adhere strictly to a particular routine, rule, or guideline. For instance, you might say, despite the challenges, we need to stick to our project timeline. Our third phrasal verb is hammer out. This doesn't involve any actual hammering. Instead, hammer out means to work hard in order to agree on or finalize something. For example, the team spent hours hammering out the details of the contract. Moving on, we have check in. This phrasal verb means to report one's arrival or to make contact, usually to update someone or confirm something. For example, I check in with my manager every morning to update him on my progress. Our last phrasal verb for today is wrap up. This means to finish or complete something. You might say, let's wrap up this meeting so we can start on our next task. In summary, we've explored 5 phrasal verbs commonly used in the workplace. Knock off, meaning to finish work. Stick to, meaning to continue doing something despite difficulties. Hammer out, meaning to work hard to agree on or finalize something. Check in, meaning to report one's arrival or make contact. And wrap up, meaning to finish or complete something. Understanding these phrasal verbs can help you navigate English conversations in the workplace more effectively. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Thanks for joining us today. For more insights on English language learning, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary.